सो अब तक मैं अपने सॉलिडवर्क्स के प्लेलिस्ट में जितना भी सब कुछ सिखाया हूँ, उस ज्ञान से तुम इतना तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर ही सकते हो। और एक चीज़ नया है, यहाँ पर मैंने स्क्वायर थ्रेड दिया है जो मैं एक शॉर्ट्स वीडियो के माध्यम से तुम्हें दे दूंगा। ओके, कि कैसे मैं यहाँ पर स्क्वायर किया हूँ, या फिर लिंक्डइन का कोई इस वीडियो के नीचे लिंक रहेगा, देख लेना। यूट्यूब का लिंक होगा या लिंक्डइन का कहीं से भी होगा। तो फिलहाल मेन मुद्दा ये है, अभी मैंने पूरा असेंबली कर लिया, उसके बाद यहाँ पर देखा कि यहाँ पर एक डायमेंशनल एरर है। ओके, तो मैं अगर तुम्हें मोस्ट प्रिसाइजली बताऊं using sectional cut, so you can see there was a dimensional error. Okay, because of this machine drawing. Okay, in this machine drawing there was also error. It's not a 44, it's actually 45, and I can fix the issue. Okay, how I can fix the issue? Just click this body, then edit sketch, then I can 45, give the 45 and update this thing. Okay, also you can um, directly, not this one. Okay, for this side you can also directly using this assembly. How you can do this? Okay, just exit from the assembly editor, just right click this part and edit sketch. Now space, and according to your best view, so you can see this is the perfect thing. And after some time it's not look like this. Okay, so you can see there was all sketches option, smart dimension, everything is here, so you can update and modify and save this. Okay, so that's why I can update this. I can come to know the dimension is 45, then I just directly this dimension. Okay, so this is not the main point, how I can fix this dimension. Okay, so just go to the whole section. Okay, yes, this part, and this is the whole, and right click and edit feature. Okay, so you directly edit this feature in the assembly section. Okay, so this is the thing, and this is the position. All dimension is right, just update the position, right? So this is the 8. Okay, I just right click, select, then just click and delete this setting, and somehow if I take the access the middle point of this screw, so it's very understand for me to know the center point, right? Space, then again I choose the section so I can take a perfect view. And okay, so this is connected, means tangent to this light, to this line. Okay, tangent to this line, and I know the diameter of it's little harder to know the exact value. Okay, I take a circle, and yes, I can access this. I just take center to this circle. Okay, if somehow I can access this circle, so it's I just fix this using my eye, but it's not a appropriate way to do this job. Okay, so I hold this video and find how I can do this. Okay, so okay, so I not get any easy solution, so I just cross this thing. Okay, I back to later on. Okay, now I can stop this and I just click this thing. Okay, and then edit sketch. After I go to edit sketch, sorry, not actually edit sketch. Okay, I have another plan. Okay, I just right click and open in a part. Okay, so that's how I can get the exact value. So this is connected like this. Okay, so where actually I create this thing. Okay, for this thing, see if I expand this and right click and edit feature. So this how, and go to the position and right click, select, and smart dimension, and the above value it's 7. Okay, so just cross everything. Okay, and you also cross this with here. Okay, I don't want to update this thing, keep change in assembly. Okay, so I just out from the editing section and click uh, click the whole, right click, edit feature, wait a little bit, and then click the position and just right click, select, double click, and put the 7, enter. Then you can see it's automatically come to the middle section. Then click OK, then again OK, then exit from the editing view, and now just see it's fit perfectly. Okay, and if I see the sectional cut also to believe you exactly how actually it works, so you can see there was no dimensional error exist this time. So this is the little process. Okay, after creating assembly, if anything happens, error, anything gonna wrong like this, so you can edit in the assembly. Okay, so this is the thing. Check the description so for how I can create this square threaded. Okay, so thank you.